You know, you pushed it there. Let's see if it's scary, eh? So we go see if it's very scary. Let's have a look. Shall we see if it's very, very scary? Oh, still very scary, is it? Oh, no. Oh, you've never seen anything so scary in your life. You just keep scooting further and further back there, don't you? You're very scary, babe. For reference, this is how close she is to the bowl. Oh, look, I'm touching it. I'm touching it. Does it make it any less scary for you? Oh no, it's still super scary. I'm gonna roll it. Any less scary? No, it's rolling. Guess my floors aren't very flat. Does it make it any less scary, babe? Nope. I think the bowl can come sit with me on the couch and I can finally take my first sip of fucking coffee for the day. Because you guys are pain in my butt. Okay, bowl is coming with me. You are very good at protecting us. Yes. She doesn't realize I put it up here. She'll figure it out. Oh, she's still looking for it. To protect us. Oh, you're going to be such a good little watchdog. I wanted another little watchdog after Trey passed. What about this bowl? Is this bowl scary in the world of Safi? No, because it's cute and pink, like it should be. Not a big, ugly blue ball. So now the ball is too big. Too big to be recognized as the ball by Safi. You are the cutest thing in the world. Did your butt. Did your butt. Did your butt. I love you, Bobo.